road, coming up to north. 130. South French Ridge. Butterfield Coach, speed 100. Missouri Road. Turn me on to turn around. 35, they just turned left there.
He's got a tag in the back. Marshall's Henry Frank. I couldn't get the last digits of it.
South Burner. Westbound Turner, westbound Hudson. That's southbound.
Still south on Turner. He missed the turn right there. 16-20 is going to be William Edward 244.
We copy William Edward 244. We copy William Edward 244.
Step on restart. Still outside, coming back up to Lakeview. Cut him off up there in the intersection. Hold it. Right there, right there, right there. What's right there?
He's down, he's down.
Yeah, what's right there?
You mean ambulance?
Shut your fucking mouth! Shut your fucking mouth!
Oh, my bones are broke! Oh, please no!
Shut up!
Oh!
You did it to yourself, you idiot!
Oh!
All over.
I can't move!
Shut up! Sit yourself up. Don't pull your siren. Him right here. Yeah, I've done him. I got it.
Low. 15, go ahead and get me an ambulance at a
What's her? Hey, listen to me. What's her?
Everything. It's all hurting.
Where's your ID at? Is that his wallet right there in his pocket? Right here in his front pocket.
Yep.
His wallet.
It's a vape.
My wallet.
Where's your wallet?
You gotta unclip it on the phone.
Hold on.
Can I please lay down?
Hey, go get your hat on and reset your camera. Okay.
Can I please lay down on my side?
We're right here at the intersection of Lakeview.
10-4.
I'm going to need at least one director for this motorcycle.
Springdale team is in ramp.
What's your name? Got it. You awake? Hey. You awake? Huh? What's your name? What? Don't tell me you don't know. Wake up. Quit showing your ass. Let's go.
I swear.
Okay, what's your name?
No weapons.
What's your name?
I'm gonna roll you over this way.
Oh, my arm's fell.
Whose is this?
That's mine.
Is he going to need a record?
I don't know.
Okay.
Spell Jenny. Okay. What's today?
Did he have an ID?
What's the day of the week?
No, I didn't find an ID. Oh,
Today's Sunday. There's the president there?
I was trying to slap on the
What's hurting?
Huh?
I was trying to slap.
Brother, you're fine. You're good. You're good.
I mean,
I'm not trying to do that.
I know. You're good. You're good, brother. You're good.
Where at on your arm?
You're good.
This one?
Do what you had to do. He made the decision.
I was just trying to walk you like
I got it. You're good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You're good.
Diabetic?
Huh? I've got a wrecker on the way for the bike. Did you get a name?
Who's the owner of the bike? Okay, have her. Wire.
Matt.